Honeybees are fascinating creatures known for their complex social structure and their vital role in pollination and honey production. When it comes to collecting honey from different flowers, honeybees exhibit remarkable behaviors and abilities. Here's an overview of how honeybees collect nectar and turn it into honey. Foraging. Worker bees, which are female bees responsible for most of the foraging activities, fly out from the hive in search of nectar and pollen. They visit flowers of various plants, collecting nectar using their long, tube-like tongues, called proboscis. Nectar collection. When a honeybee finds a flower with nectar, it uses its proboscis to suck up the liquid. Nectar is a sugary fluid produced by flowers to attract pollinators like bees. Bees also collect pollen, which they store in specialized structures called pollen baskets on their hind legs. Communication. Bees communicate the location of good nectar sources to other bees in the hive through a dance known as the waggle dance. This dance conveys information about the direction and distance to the food source. Transporting nectar. The collected nectar is stored in the honeybee's crop, a specialized part of the digestive system. Once the crop is full, the bee returns to the hive, processing nectar into honey. Back at the hive, worker bees pass the nectar to other worker bees through a process called trophallaxis. Enzymes are added to the nectar during this process. These enzymes break down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars. Evaporation. Worker bees then spread the nectar in thin layers within the hive cells. They fan their wings to create air circulation, which helps evaporate water from the nectar. This reduces the water content of the nectar to about 17 to 20%, transforming it into honey. Sealing honey. Once the honey reaches the desired consistency, bees cap the cell with beeswax to seal it. This seals in the honey and preserves it for future use.